Well, hello and welcome to the Lefty Chef. Tonight we are making an old-time favorite from the motherland. We are making some suya. We will make the suya with some homemade bread with cilantro-infused oil, which I will gladly share the recipe with you at the end of this episode. But for now, like, subscribe, share, and let's go!
Il faut que tu saches que dans la vie,
Suya originates from the Hausa tribe. Hausa is well spread across West Africa. You will find them in Nigeria, in Niger, and sometimes in Ivory Coast actually, in Burkina, in Mali, in Guinea. And they all have something in common. It's the way they make their food. So that's why I'm sticking to the term suya today. Otherwise, we all call it something. The beauty of it is that their food is usually not only just healthy, tasty, they use what they find locally, and most of the time it's just grilled. So suya can be made with any meat. It can be beef, lamb, ram, gizzards, liver, chicken, you name it. But today I'm going to focus on lamb. And what you need to know is the spice, the suya spice is the most important part of it. So once you get that right, you can use it on anything, whether it's protein or vegetables or even rice. It's that nutty, smoky, spicy flavor with a hint of peanut. It is very particular, but if you don't want to deal with it, I have made the perfect suya mix for you, and you can get it in the link below. All you have to do is click and order your own suya blend, and you will get it from my kitchen to yours.
Lefty chef, she's a boss. Hella drip, hella sauce. 2022, we taking out. Can't take the heat and get from around us. Built this thing from the ground up. Built this thing from the ground up. Couldn't have done it if I listened. Truth is that we just different. I can see way ahead. Avec la gauche, ça ne se fait pas. Prendre ou donner avec la gauche, ça ne se fait pas.
I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know when you try it. Share your experience with me, and I will see you very soon on our next episode of the Crafty Chef. See ya.
Mon ami, faut que tu saches que dans la vie, t'auras deux choix. Aller à gauche ou à droite dépend de toi. N'écoute pas tout ce que l'homme il te dit, c'est possible qu'il te monte. Fais ta life et en ce qui vient du reste, laisse dans les mains du grand Dieu. C'était pas sur moi qu'elles avaient parié. Toutes ces personnes-là, elles avaient parié. Le navire plein de fois a failli chavirer. Ils doutaient, j'ai fini par y arriver. Il y a certaines choses